Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to set up your PayPal app integration in CoachZippy. You'll find API integrations for over 20 apps in CoachZippy. You can check this video to get an overview of the API integrations in CoachZippy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up PayPal. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account. Click on a profile picture in the top right corner, and it'll open up this section with several quick links. Let me scroll down. Next, click on Connect Apps, which will take you to the integrations page. You'll see these three tabs here. Go to the Payment Processors tab and click on the Integrate Now button for the PayPal app. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click on Connect Your App. You will be redirected to the PayPal integration page. Enter an app name into this box. This can be anything you choose. Next, enter your app ID, which is your email address linked to your PayPal account. And finally, click Connect. You will receive a notification that your app has been successfully saved. Now, if you want to add another PayPal account, scroll down and then click on Connect Your App again, and then repeat the same process I showed you earlier. If you go back to the App Integrations page, under the Payment Processors tab, you'll see for PayPal that there is now one account connected. But that's pretty much it. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Look for my other CoachZippy tutorials, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.